Hey friends, welcome back to my planner desk. Today we are planning for the last full week of March, and it's my spring break. So you might be wondering why I have a planner and a journal out. I actually brain dumped different things that I want to get done on spring break. Like as I was watching TV, I just kind of said, okay, get your little notebook out and just brain dump so that when you get to your actual planner time, there aren't things you forget to do. So that's what this book is. So I have things I want to clean. I even started putting like what days I thought would be the best days to do that. Other tasks that just need to get done. All that fun stuff. I'm going to be using this sticker sheet from the book Fruits and Florals. I just thought it was springy with the blossoms. I get that apples are more of a fall thing, but I don't know. The blossoms made me think spring. Right. Okay, let's get to getting because I do have a workout to get to today. Let's mark off some of the things I got done. I did not do planners yet on the weekend. It is Monday. I did meal prep. And I did do some homework. So woot woot. Woot woot. I did do that. I have found on my tonal the live programming, and I actually had like time to get to the live programming. And I was like, what? This is amazing. Like you can cheer people on. The little dopamine receptors in my brain were like, yes, this is fun. So I'm going to be doing another one of those today. I may actually do it in recovery weight though, because I'm a little sore. And I'm trying not to get too crazy with it. Let's grab this guy so I can keep him open. Because we're going to write in all of the stuff first. Appointments and things like that. So we'll be jumping around. Real plan with me. I'm not covering up the times because I have all day available to me. I do have a dentist appointment at 2 on Wednesday. So dentist. And I might put a little icon there, but right now I just want to write down the things. At 10:30, I have Lenten service. Thursday, we have cardiologist. And really, I should block out the time from 10 probably to 11:30, possibly noon. Just to be on the safe side for that one. So those are those things. I have today at 10:30 brunch with sister. Also, I already dated this. This is an undated go-getter girl without business. Got this when I was deciding if I wanted to move to a daily layout. I have thoughts on this. I think I know what's going to happen after I use up these books. But the dates are from a wrong book I got off of Amazon called Time to Date. There you go. This day is really open. Really, this day is fairly open, like my morning and my afternoon. Cardiologist on Thursday. Friday, do I have anything? I don't think so. All right, so now we can start writing in what needs to get done. So we have 7:30 workout. Let's use a workout sticker since they're right here. Because I'm doing the live workout thing. I already did got time. Since I'm filming this today. I already worked on homework. I still have more to finish up, but I'm trying to get that done. And then I vacuum game room. So far so good. Tuesday I want to work on the bedroom and the closet because during this like time here in between Lenten service and dentist appointment. I don't plan on coming home because it usually makes the dogs a little crazy when I do that. And there's just no point to it. So I'm going to go out to lunch by myself. I'll take a book. And I'm going to go to Kohl's. I have a Kohl's gift card. And I need to know what sort of clothes I need. So that's why I want to make sure that the closet gets done tomorrow. The other things I'm working on today, we need to work in tonal room. That's the room I'm currently in. Let's work on that because, yeah, it's just kind of messy at the moment. And pink zebra closet. Now, technically, I might choose to do the pink zebra closet. Oop. Zebra closet. I used to be a pink zebra rep. I'm not anymore. I want to go through things that just need to get tossed, like declutter, those kind of things. So I might do that one first because my husband's office is the same room as the pink zebra closet. So since he's out today in the office and he'll be back working from home tomorrow, this would be a good day to get that done. So we'll prioritize that one. In fact, I'll put a little number 1, number 2, just so that we have that together. I still will have rest and read time. I love snuggles with the dogs in the afternoon. So rest and read. So we'll see how all of these things go. Probably after workout, I'll walk the dogs and then I'll work on pink zebra room. So over here, bedroom and closet. So we've got God time. I have another live workout tomorrow. So I wasn't originally going to do the live workout today. But then I saw I could do it on recovery weight because I was a little sore. So I'm going to do recovery weight today, and then tomorrow I'll do a regular one. And I know I have scheduled out some other ones. I know this is a rest day, so we're not going to worry about that. And then I want to say we're at 7:30 again here. And here. These are from Exo Mama Plans. Oh, so fun. Super fun. God time, God time. We must finish up homework by today because it's got to be turned in. Homework turned in. I'm almost done. Right now we're at the plug and chug part of things. And that may be an evening thing that I do when I put on my episode of House. That's been a great bedtime unwind, is before I go to bed, I put on an episode of House, and I'm on season 3. And it's just been really nice. Thursday, my Real Appeal meeting has changed to 6 p.m., so I gotta put that there. Are those the big things? Let's keep writing down. So we've put which things we're doing when. So we've got that done, and we've put that in, and we've put this in. Okay. I think bathrooms would be easy to do on Wednesday morning. So let's put bathrooms. Just assigning different things. This one's going to be a trickier day. I might use this as more of a day off, or like if I have things to deliver. I think that one's going to be a trickier day. Friday could be a living room kitchen day, because both of these rooms are kind of together in my house because of the open conceptiness of it. There. Dot, 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 dot. All right, all of those done. The other thing I want to do is on this one is finish fame article. Film fame video. Like a real plan with me, friends. Like we are legit planning. as I go through my brain dump, I need to, once homework is finished, spend some time working on the FAME bylaws. So I will put that here. FAME is the professional organization that I am currently secretary of. My term as secretary is coming to an end, but one of the last things that the committee I'm in charge of is the bylaws, and now it is time to edit and present to the board. So I'm going to write this on every day so that I can just take a little bit at a time. I won't write it there. I will do FAME agenda here for next month. Woohoo! All right, so I can look at this. So many good things done. Email Emily. Now, during some of these times too, I do want to do like play in my journals and planners for like setup for the next month. I also want to get a haircut today, so I'm gonna try and do that after lunchy brunch. So there will be times for that as well. Checking my time so I don't miss out on what we're supposed to be doing. Okay, let's go ahead and decorate, and we may call this good at this point, friends. I mean, super easy peas, right? And I don't have a ton of stickers, so this will be perfect. It's a balance of, you know, relaxing. I know I didn't put rest and read on every day, but I will. I plan on having some video game time, you know, all of those things. I am my best in the morning, so that's why I'm not worried about the, like, when I get up or things like that. I'm just working on the things I can work on, and if I feel like working on them in the morning, like, I am probably 3/4 of the way done with my homework, and it only really took me 30 minutes. I've been working on it piece by piece though. Like, this isn't like I just started working on it or anything like that. I think I want like a couple. Let go of it. Let go. I like my stickers, but I'm getting really used to just pen. All of the pen. And that's where I go, I think I know where I need to transition to in like the next year. Let's do also, I have found I really enjoy doing the AM PM when it's a school week. Like during the school year, not having the times at all, just saying this is AM work, this is PM work. That's my jam. And these little collages have been fun to make. Let's grab this guy if I can. Live Love Pop stickers are great, but man, am I the only one who struggles with clear stickers? It might just be a me thing. There we go. We'll do a here. I'll add one right here. It's okay if they layer on top of each other. That's what makes it a collage. I'm using up the sticker sheet, friends. That's what's happening. What's the best use of space? Maybe like that. And then a Friday. We got this nice statement sticker here. And then we'll add the 2 florals, and it'll be great. Layer it there. Layer this one at the bottom. Look at that. And we will call it good, friends. Woo! So, last full week of March. The school year is going by fast. Q3. You know, February was the longest month of my life. But March went by like crazy pants. So if you like this video, I hope you give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of my videos, please hit that subscribe button. I'll catch you in the next one.